the batch 12 commercial cooking, and now we start with the batch 13 for commercial cooking. We start off with Mr. Agnes Bryan. I saw Neil. Cruz Dot. Cruz Mary Ann. Yana Mary Jean. Mandalastas Carlo Marco. Miguel J.R. Soriano Milan. Ocampo Magdalene. Kitani James Mandy. Reyes Joanna Marie. And lastly, Mr. Tantito Margin.
Batch 2 pa yata yun. Oo, kayag na yung kay Center.
Ganyan pa ginano.
Congratulations, batch 13 for commercial cooking. Welcome to the round of applause, Marcel. For the closing remarks, may we call on Mr. Richie Natividad for his closing remarks.
It was just short and brief lang po. In behalf of Commercial Cooking Batch 12, I'd like to thank first of all yung faculty staff po. Si Ma'am Michelle, Ma'am Abby, Sir Francis, sino ba ba? Si Adrem, si Manong Guard, kasama sa family yan. Sa mga professor, si Ma'am Rochelle, sino ba? Ma'am G, nasa si Ma'am G. Tsaka po si Sir Elnett. Our stay in this school may be short, but it was all worth it. Thank you for imparting good education for aspiring folks like us. Thank you for the patience despite of our stubbornness. Thank you for making us feel at home, sabi nga ni Ma'am Pinina. Most of all, thank you for making us realize that the kitchen world is not all glitz and glamour. Rather, it's discipline, hard work, and sacrifice. Hear me out, students, to my fellow students. I hope you learn the same. Education is not about receiving this sheet of paper with our names on it. Rather, it's about applying our capabilities in the real cooking world. Now is the time that we are sent forth on our own and apply the learning we had in this institution. Cooking takes a lot of responsibility, not just to ourselves, but to whom we will work with in the future. So my parting words for everyone, let us make our alma mater proud. Thank you. God bless.
Thank you, Mr. Lucina Trinidad, for that very inspiring talk. Next, for the best attorney, the most accomplished student is Mr. Don Cruz for the closing remarks.
Good morning, Damian, classmate, education, answer. Mahaba yung speech ko ngayon. When a person wants to have something fulfilling, he works hard for it. And working hard means ending up being successful. Seeing you all here today signifies that we have accomplished one great mission. And that is the completion of our chosen field. Congratulations to all of us. To my fellow graduates, let us all celebrate for this event because another chapter in our life comes to a close. But I'm sure that a new beginning is just about to come. I wish you all the best luck in every endeavor you'll face in the future. Along the way to success, there are people who guide you and give you the keys of wisdom and knowledge. These are the people who will mold your total being to become ready to face all the challenges ahead and to become the best product of what we want to be. These are the people are none other than our instructors. Sir, Ma'am, thank you for unselfishly bringing out the best in us. To that institution, family, friends, who became part of our journey, our deepest gratitude to all of you. So with that, a job well done to everyone. Again, congratulations, and let's all give ourselves a round of applause. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Mr. Don Cruz. The Philippine Unit staff has prepared a presentation for the graduating batches 12 and 13. So, can we please turn off the lights and watch the movie?